ká congratulate ara wa láàrin ara wa yìí pé tó náà lọ àlàáfíà wà kò sí sílùú nìyẹn gbogbo ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ ní fi mẹ̀kúnnù lọ́kàn balẹ̀ ń lu yàn Ọlọ́run ní fi lọ́kàn balẹ̀ kí ló dé tó ń tẹ́lẹ̀ fi ṣèlú ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ yín ó ń tẹ́lẹ̀ fi ṣèlú ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ yín tó pé tẹ́ bá kú ẹ̀ nígbè rọrùn gbogbo àṣírí wọn ni màá tú wọ́n ti tà wá fáwọn àgbáyé àwọn pípé wọ́n ti ta ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa tí ń bọ̀ àfi kí gbogbo ọjọ́ jígìrì ká dìde ká fèsì àwọn pípé yẹn ká bá wọn jà gan wọn ní nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ ọ̀fà wa tó bá ti fẹ́ dìbò tó bá ti pín 5,000 2,000 láwọn yẹn lọ́wọ́ á tún ti gbàgbé ìyà ọdún mẹ́rin tá a jẹ sẹ́yìn ẹ ká ronú o ká lè fọ́ sowọ́pọ̀ ni o wọn ò ní èrò gidi kankan àwọn pípé yẹn wọn ò lérò gidi kankan fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ńgbà tọmọ yunifásitì ń sọ̀kadà tọmọ yunifásitì ń ṣe wọn rúwà táwọn ọmọ yunifásitì tán kàwé tán ní good result lọ́wọ́ tán lọ ń sọ lóṣù sọ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o gbogbo àṣírí wọn ni màá tú lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ tí màá ṣàlàyé bóyá jẹ́ tẹ́rù máa ba ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn yẹn màá tú mi ò lè wá kó lè jó ilé bàbá yìí so Ọlọ́run ìjọ bàjẹ́ fún ẹ ló lè fẹ́ mi ẹni bá fẹ́ bú mi ìràn yín kálukú lè sọ ohun tó wù so ìyẹn lè sọ nǹkan tó bá wù kálukú lè fẹ́nu ẹ̀ sọ nǹkan tó wù gbogbo ohun tí kálukú bá sọ yóò kẹsàn yóò jèrè ẹ̀ mo tó bá lọ́mọ yẹn bú lọ́nà láyìn tó lọ́mọ ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́ ẹ̀ wọn ní Ọlọ́run gbogbo yẹn tẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi tẹ jẹ́ tèmi ó ti lè kílù yẹn ó le tó Ọlọ́run kò ní fi lé mọ́ ẹ̀yìn yóò fi dẹ̀yìn lọ́rùn ni àṣírí yóò ní tú láéláé pé ẹ lólùfẹ́ mi ẹ ṣé Kenny ẹ ṣé o brother mi ìyá mi ni Kenny for the mama K ìyá gbòó ìyá àfẹ́ ló dùn for the mama.
níbikíbi tí a bá wà àkúdédé àsìkò yìí adẹ̀kú òpin ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ ìlà ó ṣe láṣẹ Elédùà àwọn ìròyìn lóní kéékèèké tí a sílẹ̀ fún ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà wọ́n fi ohùn sílẹ̀ fún wọn ẹ ó gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà àmì kankan wọ́n fi ohùn síta ò pé wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn máa ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn Boko Haram a ti máa ń gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí wọ́n á ní nígbà míì ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ wọ́n á ní kó máa ṣùtì wọn pé kó máa lé wọn kó máa ṣùtì wọn tòró dà pé ọwọ́ Nàìjíríà àmì tẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ọwọ́ wọn tẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn pa bíi 50 wọ́n fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ṣòfò bóyá kó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn èyí dẹ̀ ni bí ìgbẹ́jọ́ ṣe lọ léèní lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ṣẹ́rí Nàìjíríà tó wọ́n ti sọ wá di kílá àdókò àwa náà níṣẹ́ méjì igbe kíké níṣẹ́ ẹyẹ lóko igbe kígbe a máa kígbe nítorí sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ ni wá tẹ bá sọ pé ẹ̀yin ò ní mú lẹ́rọ àwa náà àní tèkè ẹ̀ sì pẹ̀lú yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó dìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣẹ́rí ó ṣe ní láàánú wípé kò tí ì yí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó sì ń bìlífù lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ó dàbẹ́ ni pé I don't know tí a bá fẹ́ fi lé sí ti arákùnrin tó wà nínú prison a máa sọ pé kí Ọmọyẹlé Sowore kó fi sílẹ̀ kó dáadáa ìṣòro tiẹ̀ tó rò náà ní àwọn ènìyàn tó jẹ́ ọmọ ilẹ̀ Ìgbò tí wọ́n lè jà fún ṣùgbọ́n ká tiẹ̀ tó tẹ̀síwájú ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìgbẹ́jọ́ lẹ́ni nílé ẹjọ́ ní Kuje prison ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti ṣe fọ́nrán yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀.
Were brought to court because they said they protested against a court order. We were still challenging the propriety of even the arraignment on the ground that you said people violated court order by protesting. We never heard of a constitution in this country, even despite all its defects, designating places where people should protest. If a protest is illegal, it is illegal. If it is not illegal, it is not illegal. You cannot say people can protest in that street, but they cannot protest in this street. And you are so confident that that will be justified. But today, the police were disappointed in judiciary. They have been masquerading themselves as law enforcers. They have been blackmailing the defendants that they protested against a court order. But what we witness in court today is a direct opposite of the propaganda they were selling to the public. Majority of us have already fallen to that propaganda. Majority of us are already accusing the defendants. Why should they protest when there is a court order? But what we saw here today was that the magistrate courageously granted bail. That is another of court. He gave a very liberal bail conditions. He said there should be 2 shorties worth 500,000 with tax clearance and means of identification. The police were so disappointed, and I even heard that some of the people in Mufti here, they are senior police officers. They came to monitor the proceeding with about more than 50 police officers in this court. There were 2 roadblocks in the morning. The entire premises was condoned off. At the end of the day, when they saw that the bail perfection was in process, CSP Iliasu led a brigade of police officers to come attack us together with all other lawyers and innocent people who were just in court premises to say they are good. The woman selling food here was handled. The table was destroyed. The food was destroyed. The Tore was bundled violently. People were holding his hand. People were holding his leg into that vehicle. In the course of that, some of us who ask questions, where are you taking him? In fact, CSP Iliasu brought a paper, which he called remand order. And we asked him to show us that remand order. He refused to show us. We asked him if you are taking Tore to prison custody, on what ground can you do that? If he's not able to perfect the bail condition. And if he's not able to do that, and you are taking him, where are the prison officials? The prison officials will be here. Why must it be police? Why must it be you? In the course of that, they descended on everybody. I was injured. I was bloodstained in my bib. This is my bib. We were manhandled, and the Tore's cloth was torn. And they forced him into their vehicle, and they took him away. As we speak, we don't know where he is, but we are still trying to follow up on the bail perfection. If you perfect the bail today, then we want the police to justify why, whatever reason they have, to keep him. This is illegality. This is injury. Yes, this is my injury. This is 10. This is blood stain on my bib. CSP Iliasu led there more than 50 officers. People were, in fact, a lawyer was here. In another matter entirely. He was arrested. People were arrested. People were trying to cover with their phone. Individuals who have cases in court were abducted. As we speak, we don't know where they are. And that is what the police institution have done today. They talk about court order. There's a court order now. They are like people are not respecting court order. But today they have come here to not just to violate court order, but to violate the sanctity of this premises. It's an embarrassment. And we call on the Attorney General. Because we know this is about Nigeria state. We call on the Attorney General. If the Inspector General of Police will not see reason, why they will not be reasonable in the face of any personal grievances they may have against or anybody, we call on the Attorney General to let sanity prevail. We call on the Nigeria Bar Association. They have come to destroy the sanctity of court. Police officers, they have come to violently the court sittings were interrupted, and this is a public outrage. Everybody here today is disappointed because it is not expected. We fight police and follow the law. If the magistrate had denied bail today, that would be a justification. If the magistrate had granted bail and the defendant are not able to meet up, that would be a justification. But this thing happened around to 11 when the court had granted bail in this city. That's what witness we got today. That's what witness. We call for the release of Oyele Sowore. That is very, very important. We call for his release. We call for his release. We call on the Nigerian Bar Association too to rise up. We cannot continue to watch things happen like this. Otherwise, people will lose faith in judiciary. People will lose faith in court process. Thank you. I'm done.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Thank you
very much. Don't worry, we're together.
Yes, thank you, sir.
I'm not going anywhere. They are a bunch of talks. That's what
Bunch of talks.
That's what they are. And if Nigerian law enforcement is going to be driven by talks, this stuff was unnecessary. I was telling the guy in white, I said, talk to his lawyer.
That is Iliasu.
Why are you dragging him for? Talk to his lawyer. No, you have to drag him.
That is CSP
You post everything all over this place for what?
The OC anti-vice, FCTC ID. That is the person who led the Togri and brigandage today.
You know, it's terrible. You can't do that.
Police now, after he was granted now I am telling you.
ẹ ṣeun ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ bàbá Tinubu ohun tó ń ya mi lẹ́nu ní wípé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí bàbá Tinubu ṣe òun náà lòun náà wá ló ń ṣe ń sin gbogbo nǹkan tó ń kọ̀ ń gbà yẹn làwọn náà wá ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mo fẹ́ kó yé gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà wípé ìjọba ológun ni wọ́n operate ní Nàìjíríà, kì í ṣe democracy. Wọ́n practice democracy ní Nàìjíríà o. Military regime lẹ́ṣin ń lò lọ, kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ pé democracy. Tó ti fi di pé freedom of speech lè sọ̀rọ̀, tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ wá gbé ẹ, tó bá ṣe nǹkan tí ò jí wá gbé ẹ. Ẹ wo gbà tí Délé Fárótìmí sọ̀rọ̀, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọ́n arrest ẹ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Ó lè sọ̀rọ̀ nínú ìjọba Nàìjíríà kó má kàgbákò nínú ìjọba tó wà ńbẹ̀ lẹ́ni. Bàbá Tinubu ìyàlẹ́nu ló jẹ́ o. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá inú ọmọ even àwọn àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n bẹnu àtẹ́lù ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore. Kí nìkan tó ṣe gbogbo àgbáyé lórí pé peaceful protest ló lead. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ lọ yin Tiaga Dynasty wọ́n ròyìn bó ṣe rọ̀ fáǹdù ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà nínú fọ́nrán, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ṣàlàyé nínú fọ́nrán yẹn, inú ẹ̀ ṣàgbọ̀. Wọ́n rọ̀ fáǹdù ẹ̀, wọ́n náà drag ẹ̀, kì í ṣe pé díẹ̀. Wọ́n ti gbé lọ sí prison, wọ́n ti lọ tì mọ́lé lórí kíni. Lórí kíni? Ẹ wo ìròyìn síta, àwọn Boko Haram ló ń pààyàn, wọ́n ti kọ lẹ́tà, wọ́n kọ lẹ́tà sí ìlú mi. Bí mo ṣe wà ọkàn mi ò balẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe wà ọkàn mi ò balẹ̀ rárá ni. Àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí wọ́n fi lẹ́tà ránṣẹ́ sí ìlú ti tèmi, ìlú tí mo ti wá, ìlú abínibí mi. Nigeria, and the worst part of it, Ondo State Governor àti Kogi State Governor, wọ́n náà fi ń dá ará ìlú ní, wọ́n náà fi ń dá wọn lójú wípé kọ́ mọ́kàn wọn balẹ̀, pé kọ́ má sáfìlú sílẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ. Mo ti pèlé ní ìsìn báwo ni ṣé àmì surround everywhere for where. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní kán má worry, kán má sáfìlú sílẹ̀. Ìkọ̀kan bá ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹgbẹ́ náà ti ń porúkọ ẹ̀, ayédatiwa, ọ̀run á dá títì ẹ. Tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àkókò North West, nǹkan ò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ o. Fúlàní ò gbọ́dọ̀ pa wá lákòókò North West o. Any part of Yorùbá land, Fúlàní ò gbọ́dọ̀ pa wá o. Fúlàní ò gbọ́dọ̀ pa wá o. Tó àtìgbà tí Ọ̀jájú ní ti ń kígbe, tí lè rán ẹni DSS or whatever, àbí àmì àbí ọlọ́pàá kẹ́ invite ẹ̀. Ó ti ń kígbe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ta ló mọ tó fẹ́ gbà wọlé? Ẹ wá ń sọ drone mélòó lẹni tó ti ń patrol gbogbo àgbègbè tó ń mention Oyin, Èrìtì, Àjọwá, gbogbo ẹ̀ tó ti ń mention lórí nínú news. How many drone 30 send kó máa monitor gbogbo inú igbó 24 hours láti gbà yẹn for where? Nothing. How many drone? Ìbéèrè ni. How many drone? Nothing lò. Èló ni wọ́n ta drone? Drone of 1.5 wà, drone of 2 million wà, owó ṣíkíṣẹ́yìn. Tí ẹ lè díjú ra 100 as a spot on a spot. Ẹ lè díjú ra. Ẹyọ kan báyìí wọn ní. Àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, how many drone lẹ rà fún wọn tó fi operate? How many drone? Kò kọ́ni lọ kó jẹ́ gbogbo Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ní gbogbo wọn lákòbọ̀n sọ́wọ́. Everybody gbọ́dọ̀ ní àwọn ọ́fíìsì titun, àwọn tá wà ní ọ́fíìsì wà, àwọn tá máa dáhùn sí àwọn ará ìlú, kíní kan àwọn tó ń lọ sínú igbó, àwọn tó bá lọ nínú igbó náà, àwọn tá máa gbé drone tẹ̀lé wọn náà gbọ́dọ̀ wà. Tẹ́kùn wá jọjọ máa lọ ni, àwọn ìlà máa fi drone máa fi gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú walkie talking, gbogbo wọn gbọ́dọ̀ wà pẹ̀lú walkie talking. Everybody tó ní drone tó bá rẹ́ ní fìrìfìrì á pé walkie talking á signal sí wọn, go to so direction, go to so direction. Gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí kò sí. Ẹfẹ̀mí ará ìlú ẹfin tàfàlà, ẹfẹ̀mí ará ìlú fi ń ṣòfò. Ẹfẹ̀mí ará ìlú ń ṣòfò. Ẹwù nǹkan tí news gbé síta. Pé wọ́n fẹ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀, wọ́n ní káwọn Nàìjíríà mi kàn máa ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú bandit àwọn repentant Boko Haram. Imagine nínú ìlú. Gbogbo àwọn kan yóò fún ni lọ́kàn balẹ̀, kò múnú ẹni dùn, kò mọ́kàn ẹni balẹ̀ rárá. Hílà hílo lẹ́yìn wà pẹ̀lú àwọn ìròyìn tẹ̀yàn ń gbọ́. Wọ́n travel káàkiri. Ó ní fídíò kan tí màá gbé síta láàárọ̀ là. Ẹ rí fídíò yẹn. Wọ́n travel kiri, wọ́n náwó wa bó ṣe wù wọ́n. Ẹ gbọ́ pé wọ́n recover so amount lọ kíní so billion. Gbogbo owó tán recover ibo ni wọ́n kó sí. Ẹ lè rí ibi tán kó sí. Ẹ lè rí traces sí ẹ̀ ní. Anyway, ẹ wo ó dọwọ́ Ọlọ́run. Àwa ará ìlú là á jà fúnra wa, àwa ará ìlú kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ jà fún wa o. ẹ má gbọ́kànlé wọn o àwọn sójà tó ń sọ ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn o ẹ má dá gọ́vnà lóhùn o ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn wọn ò níjà fún yín o ẹ̀yin ará ìlú ẹ dìde fúnra ara yín òun la ṣe ń sọ pé gbogbo ara ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde fúnra ara wa ẹ jẹ́ ká empower àwọn local security wa àwọn ló lè kojú wọn Nàìjíríà mi ọ̀lẹ ní gbogbo wọn àwọn ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn ẹbọ náà lẹ́rí yẹn ẹ má fọkàn tẹ wọn ẹ má gbọ́kànlé wọn àfẹ̀mí ń ṣòfò ni o gbogbo ní ìsọ̀n gbé síta pé kára ìlú kọ́ máa sáfìlú sílẹ̀ ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn o irọ́ ni wọ́n pa àwa láti wá kó yín láti máa kó àyà yín ẹ dira la mìn nǹkan tá a mìn nìyẹn ẹ gbára dìde wọn èèló ni wọ́n fẹ́ pé 5 million ni wọ́n tó how many population tó jẹ́ ẹ wo Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú fún wa God bless you. Thank you for watching.